Airtrain kami. Pabalik kami ng airport kasi mas mura daw doon ang ticket. Mas mura doon ang transportation kaysa dito sa P4. So isa pa tayo, no?
We are approaching the station. Please hold on until the train comes to a complete stop.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa New Jersey. So this is one of the spot in the New Jersey. So kala nyo sa Philippines lang may traffic. Dito may traffic. So in New Jersey there's also traffic, no? Not only in the Philippines, but here also there's a traffic. There's American Club, Manny's Barbecue Restaurant. This is the Newark Food Service Equipment, Newark. We are now in Newark, New Jersey. So we're going to Home to Sweet Hilton Wayne, Newark. So kanina nawala tayo. We got lost. We are sent to another Newark. Home to Sweet. Okay, mamaya na lang. We're going to have a video again later. Ayan ang mga building dito. Ayan ang mga building. These are the building in Newark. Bahay ni Kuya, ayun o. Dito pala kinopi yung bahay ni Kuya. Big Brother's house. Guys, we're going to Patterson train station. The Patterson train station is connected to the station in New York, in Queen City. Okay, so this is the place in New Jersey. So we are now in Patterson Great Falls. So there's a falls here in this side. There's a falls.
Patterson Great Falls.
Yeah, there's a falls.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's beautiful.
We can swim.
It's a place for the barbecue.
But we can swim there. Oh, we will try it. Yeah. Oh, there's a falls here, Mama. We can try this one.
It's right here.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'll do the video here. So there's a falls daw. So later, maybe tomorrow we're going there in the Patterson Falls. We will check it out in New Jersey. Wow. Magsuswim kami sa New Jersey. So we will swim in New Jersey. So ito yung ating journey. Patterson. Akala ko nga Pateros eh. So akala ko may Pateros din dito sa sa New Jersey. So this is the school, no? This is school.
Yeah, it's school. Yeah.
Charter school. There's a charter school here in New Jersey. This one is also a school. So, and this is an old building. Great Falls Historic District. So this is a district. A museum. May museum pala dito. You can check the museum tomorrow. So this is a museum. We'll check the museum tomorrow. This is the Khalid Jimmy Patterson. It's here now. Alright. So bakit hindi ito nagpo-post? sobrang haba ng tayo. What? Where's that? Nakasulat? Dito na tayo sa New York. Ate, nasa New York na tayo. Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa New York! Si Awe B Vlog, teacher Awe B Vlog ay nasa New York. Ito na. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Okay. Kita nyo? So this is the one of the... Wait. Ay! Yeah. So ito na yung ano. Ito yung Trade Center. So yun yung Trade Center. Tapos mamaya merong activity dito. So magkakaroon ng event. Babalik tayo for the event. And then this is the Millennium Building, Starbucks, then ayan yung mga other buildings. So these are the 3-star buildings, 3-star, 4-star, some Merces Labs, tapos nandun yung H&M, tapos dito yung other suite. So ayan yung mga other pang mga building dito sa New York. Okay, so andito na tayo talaga sa New York, no? Hindi ako makapaniwala na pupunta kami ng New York. Ito nga pala ang aking misis. Yan si Sheena. Aliyah, you say hi. Ay, Ami, you say hi. Oy, mga fans mo, Ami, you say hi to your fans. Ate Sheen, you say hi to your fans. So matagal na kasi kami hindi nag-vlog. So ngayon, nag-vlog kami sa New York. Okay? So dito na kami ngayon sa New York. And so happy, nakapunta talaga tayo. Let's go na. Pupunta tayo sa Liberty. Mamaya papasok kami dyan sa World Trade Center. Priority namin si Liberty. So hanggang dito muna guys. Next time, punta tayo dyan sa sa loob ng Trade Center. And then sasakay tayo sa bus para tour tayo. Yan yung sasakyan nating bus mamaya. So sasakay tayo dyan sa bus na yan. Iikot tayo niya sa buong New York. Okay? Hello guys, pagka nagtitipid kayo, meron ditong Tiangge. Maraming food cart. Ayan, no? So marami ditong food cart. You can see all the food cart here. And especially, pwede kayo dito may halal. If you are Muslim, you can buy here. There's a halal food. Okay? O, dito yung sa park. Ano to? Anong street? Broadway Street. Oo. No, yan. So, dito lang tayo sa Broadway Street. O, dito kami kumakain sa park. Mura lang.
Pag-bus gate.
Kasi ano lang kami, nag-train lang kami papunta dito, di ba? Tipid-tipid lang. Tapos isang metro ticket lang yung gamit namin. Okay? So ito yung journey natin sa New Jersey to New York. Okay? Mamaya doon na tayo magwa-walk pa tayo papunta sa Liberty. Para makita natin si Liberty, kailangan natin sumakay ng cruise. Ito. So this is our cruise, no? Sakay tayo dito. Kailangan doon tayo sa taas para makita natin ang lahat ng view. Okay, so now I'm now in the cruise. So we are now in the cruise for going to Liberty. Si Liberty. Puntahan natin si Liberty. So sa wakas na, nandito na tayo ngayon sa... Ito na talaga yung US kasi nandito tayo sa Liberty. Si Liberty yung famous na statue dito sa US. So lahat ng mga pupunta ng US ay syempre kailangan merong picture ni Liberty. Okay? So, konting kembot na lang. Okay?
The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France in 1883.
It was originally intended to celebrate the 100th anniversary of America's independence and to be a symbol of friendship between France and the United States. The statue has since become a universal symbol of our nation's freedom, opportunity, security, and future. Enjoy your view of this great monument as we approach Liberty Island today. This view is similar to the one seen by many thousands of immigrants as they entered the U.S. by steamship. When the ship neared New York, the shining torch of the Statue of Liberty rose from the bay. Shouts and cries of joy would erupt from the steamer deck. For many, liberty enlightening the world, as the statue's official title, symbolized the freedom and opportunity that awaited them in their new land. The steamer proceeded on into New York Harbor, and passengers got the first glimpses of the Manhattan skyline, including the Brooklyn Bridge, spans the East River between Manhattan and Brooklyn. You may be able to spot stone towers today. Over the years, several newer bridges have been added to the harbor's landscape, including the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, which connects Brooklyn and Staten Island. If you look out beyond the Statue of Liberty, you might see the Verrazano Bridge in the distance. The longest stretch of bridge in the United States. As the passenger ships continue north toward their dock in Manhattan, they also pass southern islands across the harbor.
This is real.
In strategically located near the mouth of the river, and was the site of the coastal fortification built to defend New York Harbor. In 2001, it was declared a national monument.
Dito tayo sa kabila na.
The Statue of Liberty is part of the National Park System. We invite you to experience many additional enjoyable activities offered by the National Park Service, including outdoor guided tours. Please
Kapit ka
stop
doon, no?
by the security station.
Kapit ka dito na. Kapit ka
In
dito.
the northern part of the park, which is the 600-year park,
Kayo man makikita ko. Ngayon nandito na. Yan ang ano, yun yung picture ng math. So that building is the picture in mathematics. That one. Dito ka rin. Ayan na. Sobrang laki ng Statue of Liberty. Hindi naman pala, oh. Kapit kamay ko lang, oh. So, maliit lang. Ganyan lang, oh. Ayan lang. So, maliit lang. Pero, ano, parang mataba siya. Sa actual, parang mataba. Kasi pagka tinitingnan ko siya doon sa mga, ano, mapayat lang si Liberty. Dito, mataba si Liberty. Katawan talaga siya ng mga Amerikano. Alright guys, ito na talaga si Liberty. Dito na tayo kay Liberty. So, alam na. Next time kasama ka na namin dito. Nauna lang kami para i-check. So, checking lang, ha? So, chine-check muna namin si Liberty, baka kasi tumakbo. So, eto na po ating Liberty. So, dati ambition lang. Ngayon, ito na tayo ngayon sa Liberty. Okay? So, ikutin lang natin to para makuha na yung buong katawan ni Liberty. So, tamang-tama lang naman yung katawan ni Liberty. Medyo maskulado si Liberty. Medyo maskulado. Ano, yung katawan niya, katawan talaga ng Amerikana. No? So, may laman-laman. So, medyo may muscle si Liberty. Kung totoo, kung makikita niyo siya talaga sa ano, sa actual. Tapos hindi naman siya sobrang taas talaga. Tamang taas lang. Pero siguro mga mataas naman talaga siya. Kaya lang, pagka nandito ka, parang maliit lang siya na statue. Siguro sobrang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng statue. Kaya parang pagtitingnan yung parang maliit lang siya, no? So, yan. Dito tayo sa harap para ay umakyat sila doon sa tuktok. So dito tayo lang sa baba kasi ayoko nang umakyat doon. Dito lang tayo. Ikot lang kami kasi gutom na kami. Kakain kami ulit doon sa park, biryani. So gusto daw niyang mga anak ko ng ice cream. So mamaya, tatry namin kung makakabili kami ng ice cream. Yes, kaso baka mahal kasi ang ice cream dito. Alam niyo naman, di ba? Tourist spot. So pagka tourist spot. Tapos sa $39 kapag ka you're going to pay $39 if you're going to book your ticket outside this park. Outside the, what you call this? Battery Park. So wag kayong pupunta doon. Don't go to the ticketing outside the Battery Park. It's expensive. That's $39. It's only $25 for adult, $16 for the children. 4 years old to 13 years old is kid. So that's $16 only. Don't pay outside the castle house. They call it castle, no? Castle ticketing. So go to the ticketing office. They said that some of the scammers said the park is under renovation, but the park is not under renovation. They say it so that they can sell the ticket, $39. So imagine from $25 only ticket, they sell the ticket for $39 one. Okay, so $39 each. So $25 lang ang ticket dito kapag ka adult. Okay, $16 for kids. Okay, so sa ticketing kayo bibili ng ticket, wag sa labas. Okay. So commercial, ito naman ang ating tapat ng Liberty, no? This is in front of the Liberty. These are the things that you can see in front of the Liberty. Yan. Yan, dyan kami sumasakay sa